Hey guys, KingBoo2L2 here, and it's June 1st, 2019, and we finally got a severe thunderstorm warning, and I'm in my basement right now, so I could just show you what it's like from down here, and it's pretty windy out, and I can't go outside because it's pretty bad right now. But I'll just film it while I'm sitting at the table because I'm eating something right now. But if you guys okay with watching me eating and filming that, oh well. But yeah, today has been okay so far, but my sister, she's been throwing up, and I feel bad for her, but she's laying on the couch, so I don't want to bother her, so I'm gonna go upstairs right now, and I'm gonna pause it.
You're gonna record the storm?
Yeah. So I just did it like this, and I sat down on my mom's mirror, and I'm just recording the storm. That's okay with you guys? How dare you, Mommy? How dare you? You okay, Lauren? Oh,
Hamburger.
that was mine.
Is it any good?
I guess not.
You gonna eat it or what?
No.
Maybe I'll warm it up and see. Okay? Here, I'm chill.
Lauren's bacon.
What?
Popsicle.
Where is she at? On the table.
That's going.
Put that in there. It's on the left side.
I think this is a regular thunderstorm now. So it turned on the maybe
Going south.
south.
Mm-hmm. And one of her Powerades.
That's okay.
What does she want?
I don't know what flavors are there.
Blue. Blue.
Blue, Lauren.
Give me this. You're welcome.
Now, if one more thing happens to one more person. Oh. That's a choking, though.
Well,
Lauren.
I can still hear thunder, so.
Yeah, that's rolling thunder.
Whoa.
Oh,
Take these popsicles out of the box.
yeah.
I had to get ice cream. Ain't no ice cream back in here. Oh, shit.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Okay.
Just some stuff up north.
Well, if I could share my nasal stuff, I would.
Yeah.
But you're not supposed to.
Yeah. I would take my laser swing when I do home.
I like that. I used to say, do this guy, do this guy, do this guy. That always
Are you
cracks
guys
me
letting
up.
it fly?
Oh, come on. Another one? I just
No,
feel
it's
the-
just a regular fly. It's not a stink bug.
I got you.
Well, I just killed a stink bug last night that was as big as my thumb.
Really, she did.
Yeah.
It was nasty.
Yeah. The Subway came to $27.
Wow.
So Subway.
Okay. And I paid for that one too. Who
Well,
paid for Subway?
I did.
Aw, thank you.
You're
So
welcome.
next time it's my turn.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You want me to stay for dinner or?
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Because when I was on the couch,
Yeah.
my mom kept trying to wake me up. I was like,
I want to stay.
I don't know. We'll see. Oh, thank you.
That's once.
Oh, then I gotta take this again tonight.
Yeah.
She told me it's gonna be about 6 hours a day.
Mm-hmm.
And that's better than living at the office.
Yeah.
That's twice.
At least this way I get to be home.
Yeah.
I test my blood once a week. So then
That's
if my
3
red
times.
cells or white cells are too low or something,
Yeah.
they can adjust the medication. I guess white blood
4
cells
times.
fight off infections.
Yeah.
Red blood cells
Mm-hmm.
That's 5
focus
times.
on your blood and your oxygen and
Yeah.
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 Because my dad and I looked it up.
Yeah.
And 6 times. Oh. Six times Squidward got attacked by the sea bear. I never get a chance to count how many times he got attacked. I see this episode.
I can't believe he let me park in the
Yeah.
Garage. Jinx.
When was the last time we did that?
When we went to the Summer Lakes with Jessica in
I know,
Yeah.
but what year?
2014.
So 5 years ago?
That was July of 2014.
Yeah,
so
it was July
almost-
4th.
What?
Because we went to the beach during the day and then we went to the fireworks at night.
I know, that was awesome.
Because we went to the beach. It was Jessica. She had Mariah, but Mariah was still under a year old.
Oh yeah.
Kaylee, Carla, Carl didn't go. And then her cousin Pam,
Yeah.
Pam's brother,
Yeah.
Pam's kids.
Yeah.
So right there, that's what? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
You know what?
9 people
I don't
just
think
from their
nothing's
family.
happening right now, but at least I did get to film what it was
I was to
like.
my mom.
So,
So right there, that's
yeah.
13 people.
Yeah.
Before I stop the video,
And Naima
just say hi to
and
everybody.
That's 15 people.
Oh yeah.
And then Jennifer
Ben.
and her son.
Say
How
hi.
you doing?
Here's the sick
Your
one.
place, honey.
Here's the sick one.
17 people went to the beach that day.
So sick. I feel bad for
And guess
her.
who was the one that couldn't get back to shore?
Angel.
I hope she feels better.
She will feel better.
Yeah. Well,
And guess who wanted to go in the private pool that
This is-
nobody had money for?
Angel.
Kimbo Tutorial 2. And I see you in the next video.
Heck,
Bye.
I wanted to go in that too, but I didn't have